Hi, I am Justin Durkis, current president and CEO of Turner Construction, and this is our corporate strategic plan for the coming year. Our mission statement is as follows. Turner fosters a culture of diversity and inclusion in which all employees contribute creative ideas, seek challenges, and have the opportunity to grow. Our diverse and inclusive workforce positions the company to grow, enhances our presence in diverse markets, and helps us build enduring relationships with each other, and industry partners, and our clients. Anthony and Malone will explain our vision.
My name is Anthony Malone. I'm the COO of Turner Construction. And here at Turner, we believe that by investing in leading edge technology, updating and refining processes, we have adapted to the needs of a changing world and risen to meet its challenges. 111 years after its inception, Turner looks towards a future bright with possibility. Louis Buchelis will explain our history.
Hi, I'm Louis Buchelis, and I'm the Executive Vice President of Turner Construction. I'm going to give you a little bit of history about our company. Turner Construction was founded by Henry Turner in 1902 based on the core values of teamwork, integrity, and commitment. Henry Turner's insistence on quality of service, hard work, and responsiveness to client needs is still a high principle of the company and has led to its success in a competitive industry. Turner has become the leading industry component of the transformational construction tool and process, Building Information Modeling, or BIM. Turner's company stock has began trading on the American Stock Exchange in 1972, and since we've been a company, Turner has erected several notable structures, including several professional sports arenas and stadiums, commerce towers, airport terminals, theaters, and most notably here at the U of I campus, Eikenberry Commons and Nugent Hall. And now Michael Halkias will share the strengths of our company.
I'm Michael Halkias, and I'm an Executive Vice President here at Turner. What has made us a leading figure in our industry is our existing and extensive distributions and sales network. We have been awarded worldwide for our contracting abilities. We've also had #1 top green contractor, and also we have been recognized for our supplier and participant in many diversity programs. And now Josh Mincher and Mona Patel will touch on some of our weaknesses.
Hi, my name is Joshua Mincer, and I'm an Executive Vice President here at Turner.
Hi, my name is Mona Patel. I'm a Director of Human Resources.
And we're here to talk to you about some of the weaknesses of Turner. Although we are a large company with a wide variety of industry experiences, one of our major weaknesses is that we do not have a heavy civil work department. In addition, we are purely a general contractor, meaning we do not self-perform any work, and we do not employ any of our own laborers or equipment.
According to reviews of Turner by former employees, the job is very stressful with high pressure put on our employees and their time. For this reason, there is a high turnover rate, with many of our employees only staying 3 to 5 years. There is a lack of experienced professionals with years of experience that work for us. Now Stephen Gorley will explain our opportunities.
Hi, I'm Stephen Gorley, and I'm the CFO at Turner Construction Company, and I will talk to you about opportunities that our company sees for growth. With the growing economy, we see the opportunity to take on more and more work. As a result of the economic downturn, many smaller construction companies closed, so we have the opportunity to take on more work as a result of that. As the economy grows, our profitability is also increasing because more companies have more money to spend on their construction. We are also expanding into new markets so that we can continue to grow as much as possible. Next, I'll let Tracy Skurlock tell you about the threats that our company sees.
Hello, I'm Tracy Skurlock, Chief Purchasing Officer at Turner Construction. Despite all the opportunities Turner has been provided with over the years, there are some threats that we face as well. These include the growing competition among companies in the construction industry, increasing costs and rates of interest, and constant changes in government regulations. All of these can lead to tighter financial capacities and loss of bigger projects. Now, Eli will share the goals of our company.
I'm Eli Hyman, and I'm Chief Strategy Officer here at Turner Construction. Our short-term goals will last between 6 months and 3 years and will lead directly into the long-term goals, which will last between 3 and 5 years. Our 4 critical focus areas will be service, social, profit, and growth. Short term, we will develop relatively untapped areas such as India and China and continue to expand LED infrastructure construction. We will assist employees pursuing higher education and establish a Six Sigma system to improve efficiency. Long term, we will emphasize a sustainability program for future projects and standardize our internal processes and systems to reduce waste. We will also diversify our client base and invest in career development programs to benefit our employees. Matt and Will now discuss how we will achieve our goals.
Hi, I'm William Bader,
And I'm Matthew Houston.
and we are Strategic and Operation Managers, and we are going to tell you how we plan to achieve our goals. As far as diversifying our client base, we plan to revamp our marketing efforts to non-traditional methods such as social media. We want to expand our marketing efforts to attract new customers, and we will become experts in the field, and we will do so by providing industry-related information to our new and old customers.
Secondly, we want to establish a robust sustainability system. Firstly, we want to implement more cost-effective planning in future projects. For example, purchase cheaper construction materials. Secondly, we want to establish a sustainability system for future projects. We want to do that by implementing more cost-effective planning in future projects. For example, purchase cheaper construction materials. Secondly, we would like to purchase equipment with better fuel economy. Finally, we want to develop project control and monitoring systems to ensure construction activities are completed as promptly and under budget as possible.
As far as standardizing our internal systems and processes to reduce waste and increase our profit margins, we want to begin by developing a good understanding of all our divisions so that we ensure that standardization is accepted throughout our company. We want to start with gaining company-wide support to reduce the resistance to change, and we will implement bottom-up change to allow workers who this change will greatly affect to participate in every step of the change and make our standardization as successful as possible. Now I'll tell you about how we're going to achieve our short-term goals. We'll start by identifying the top 3 regions of the world we are presently not operating in, and try to operate in those regions within 3 years. We will begin by learning the customs and cultures of the potential regions to ensure success. We will hire appropriate staff that are familiar with those customs and even staff from those regions. And we will preemptively adjust operations and marketing to properly adjust new needs and successfully address their target markets.
We also want to require LEED AP certifications of all employees and create a green, affordable housing division to develop significant growth in this area. The GAH division will represent 1% of our gross revenue within 3 years. To do this, we want to install more efficient operating systems that conserve heat, water, and other resources, for example, building insulation. Also, we want to alter project specs so that the final product will produce smaller amounts of greenhouse gases and air toxins.
Another important short-term goal of ours is to implement Six Sigma methodology throughout the firm. We will begin with a rigorous training program and concentrate on improving remedial skills using a top-down approach. We will develop a framework for continuous improvement for our company. And then finally, we will create teams of employees led by the black belts that the training will produce to create a bottom-up feel to our change.
Finally, we want to create a tuition assistance program for field employees pursuing an education in the fields of engineering as well as construction management, having 1% of the eligible employees enrolled by year's end. Finally, we want to create a tuition assistance program for field employees pursuing an education in the fields of engineering as well as construction management, having 1% of the eligible employees enrolled by year's end. For funding purposes, we'll set aside some of the firm's revenue. We'll offer employees incentives for them to go to school, for example, promotion, increase in wages and benefits. Finally, we'll recommend to firm employees local colleges that have night school programs so they can work as well as go to school.
We here at Turner Construction would like to thank you for listening to our corporate strategic plan for the coming year.
Didn't know we're lost.